a technology can be well thought and well designed and very much detailed. If it's not being used by a patient, it's worthless. So the engagement of a patient on this is crucial. So it starts, in fact, with the patient using an application and ideally also some wearables or sensors being added. And he is providing data, or data is being measured, that you see on the right side of the screen, and is being processed. And this is also put into reporting done for the patient in the application, but also for directly in PDFs, which can be sent to doctors. But of course, you feel already the patient is giving a lot, but he's not really motivated. So he doesn't know what is being done with his data. So the ideal is to use the data that is entering and giving feedback to a patient with automated messages, the feedback to it, motivational pieces, behavioral change elements. So to motivate the patient as much as possible. But then still, that is a system that can work standalone. So it is once the patient is onboarded with automated triggers, the patient can be motivated, but there's nobody yet being involved, so it can run autonomously. If then you give indeed access to a healthcare practitioner to look at those data, he can start interacting with it and see, okay, see how the patient is doing and give special treatments, special guidance, so the patient is extra motivated to keep using the solution. On top of that, let's say coordinator, that first line doctor or person can involve other care practitioners of the team. So the right people can be involved on the right moment, and then you can also go into predicting models where these second line people get data about how treatment should look like for that specific person, and go into personalized medicine. So that's a bit how we see the whole feedback loop, that the data that the patient is entering is not only collected for, let's say, future purposes for other patients, but only for the patient himself.